In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI Canvas to fix image. We'll start right inside your browser. Log into your Leonardo AI account, then open the AI Canvas, sometimes labeled the Canvas editor. This is your workspace for targeted edits. From here, upload an image you want to improve, or pick one you've already generated in your library. Before we click anything else, let's set expectations. Canvas is designed to repair and enhance images in a focused way. You can remove unwanted objects, fix faces or tricky hands, change or clean up the background, add missing details, and even extend the frame of your image without painting. Think of it as a smart patch kit that blends your edits seamlessly. Next, choose the brush tool. This is how you tell the AI exactly where to work. Paint over the area you want to fix, maybe a face that needs more symmetry, a hand with odd fingers, a messy background, or any distracting object. Don't worry about being perfect. Aim to cover the problem area with a little margin. That painted region becomes the mask, and it's the only place the AI will edit, leaving the rest untouched. Now enter a clear fix prompt describing what you want. A few examples you can adapt. Fix face, symmetrical, realistic, high detail. Remove object, clean background, or add realistic hand, natural pose. Keep it specific, keep it short, and avoid mixing conflicting ideas. You're guiding the AI, not writing a paragraph. Before generating, adjust your settings. The strength or creativity slider controls how dramatic the change is. Lower values keep the original vibe, higher values are bolder. Choose a suitable model. Realistic options generally work best for photos or lifelike renders. And set your resolution. Higher resolutions yield crisper results, though they may take a bit longer. Go ahead and click Generate. Review the result closely. If it's not quite there, that's normal. Iteration is part of the process. Refine the mask to better target the area, tighten or rephrase your prompt, tweak the strength, and try again. Small, deliberate changes often produce the best improvements. When you need to expand the scene, switch from in-painting to out-painting. In-painting fixes areas inside the existing image, great for face repairs or object removal. Out-painting extends the canvas beyond the edges, perfect for adding more background, widening a composition, or reframing a subject. Once you're satisfied with the result, download your final image. It's ready for thumbnails, social posts, ads, or any project that needs a polished professional look. That's the power of Leonardo AI Canvas. Precise edits, fast iterations, and clean, realistic finishes.